Cosmize is the metaverse of tomorrow. The first Polkadot-based metaverse built on Astar. This exciting project, while still in its early stages, shows the potential for an ever-expanding universe of possibilities. Welcome to dApps, the show where we explore and highlight the projects that make Astar great. Today is all about Cosmize, the first Polkadot-based metaverse. While still in its initial stages of development, this will give you a glimpse into what they've already built and some insight of what's to come. Make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things Astar. A quick note before jumping in, I was granted access to the demo environment. What you see today is subject to change and still in development. Your login is your MetaMask wallet. That's all you need, which makes it incredibly simple, no sign-up necessary. Let's start with the character customization. You can see the options for your character selection. You might even recognize this option as an Astar trooper, the community-run project building the Astar army. This is one of many NFT project integrations Cosmize has already incorporated. You choose your character and customize them to whatever your heart desires. There will be more customization options coming soon. After creating the perfect avatar, you load up your room. This is an expression of you, with options to customize and create the room of your dreams. Their edit tools allow you to make anything from a highly decorated, beautiful room to a dystopian nightmare, or even a maze built out of refrigerators. You can work in the metaverse while working in real life. Your creativity is the limit. If you've been in the Astar ecosystem, you probably already recognize some of the artwork. That is because Cosmize has already worked alongside some of the biggest NFT collections on Astar, including Astar Degens, Astar Cats, Astar Signwich, and Astar Troopers to create 3D items and models to live in the metaverse. Another neat feature is you can change the weather. Had a hard day at work? Now it's raining. Had a great day at work? Now it's a gorgeous sunset. This is just the beginning of what is coming, and it has been incredible to watch the development this far. Something to highlight is the music player in your room. You can play a selection of songs right from the player. I'm not going to play any as I'm not sure what the copyright status is, but I will play some royalty-free music underneath. Why I want to highlight this is because there's an idea floating around of incorporating music NFTs into Cosmize. There are also ideas for mini-games, as well as a whole bunch of new tools for communities to engage with their user base. It is time to visit the hub. You can access the hub in two different ways, the button at the top of your screen or the table in the middle of your room. The hub is where you can chat and meet other people. You will also be able to create and host events all in the metaverse. One of the coolest events that happened was the AMA hosted by Cosmize and Astar Troopers.
What's on the roadmap? What can you give us? What can you give the listeners and myself?
Even Soda, the CEO of Astar, showed up.
If you hear me, please use the Sota emoji.
It was an awesome experience and shows how the metaverse can be used in the future. Now, I have to show you my personal favorite feature in Cosmize, the dance moves. Cosmize is an awesome project, one I highly recommend for you to check out and follow along as they continue to develop and grow. The team takes community input very seriously, putting community first and listening to make the most incredible metaverse it can be. Get involved and share your input. You will help shape the future of Cosmize and the metaverse. Web3 is about building together.
We've been longing to escape, and here we are. Driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose.